In this quick video, we will be installing Power BI Desktop. This is the URL powerbi.microsoft.com and the downloads. So these are the 5 products that's available in this URL to be downloaded. The Power BI Desktop, the Power BI Mobile that can be downloaded from the app stores, uh, then the Power BI, the on-premise data gateways that's needed for your on-premises SQL servers or any data sources or something that is sitting inside VNet. Then the report server and the Power BI report builder. If you click on download for the Power BI desktop, it will take you to the Microsoft Store. This is one way of installing it. Microsoft Store, as we all know, takes a lot of time to even load. So this is where you can directly install it. But we will be doing the advanced download, advanced installation. So you click on the advanced download options. It will take you to this page where you can download the binaries for the Microsoft Power BI desktop. You click on download and then select the setup that you will need. We will be needing the x64, which is for the 64-bit systems. Click that and next. That should start your download. So once it is downloaded, we will be installing it, and you can specify where you want to keep the binaries, if you want to change the location of the binaries, and how you want to have it installed. All those customization that can be done via this method of installation. So the download is complete. Let's open the folder where our binaries have been downloaded. So I would click the folder. This is the binary, the application. Let me click and run as administrator. It should open up this dialog box. Select your language. Next. Again, the welcome message, and click next. Accept the terms. Click next. This is where you can change the location of the files. So when the installation will happen, all the related files, the binaries, will be stored in this particular location. You can change that by clicking here, or you can create a new folder and so on. But we will leave it as is. It is going to create a new folder, Power BI desktop, and it will store it there. Create a desktop shortcut and click next. So the installation has begun. Let's wait till let's wait and come back when the installation is complete. I will fast forward this from here. Click finish and it should open the Power BI desktop. So we have successfully installed Power BI desktop. It should open up, and this is where you set up your Power BI entire experience. So let's get started. When you click get started, it will ask you for your email address for the organization that you want to get it linked with. So you'll be using your company email address, or if you have your personal setup done, you'll use that. So I've got an on Microsoft account which I've been using. So I'll click provide that email address, click next, and workspace, school account, that's fine. Workplace or school, yeah, that's the one. And I should be able to sign in. I'll provide my on Microsoft account. Click next, provide the password, and sign in. Should be able to verify. Enter the code and click verify. Stay signed in to all your apps. Okay. Once done, it should be able to link with your one lake, and you should be able to just connect to all the resources that's available. You're all ready. So I have selected the one lake preview. So in the one lake data hub, I can able to see all my lake houses and the data warehouses. In our next video, we'll be connecting to these warehouses and lake houses and create our reports. For this video, we have successfully installed Power BI Desktop, the latest version on our system. Thanks for watching and keep supporting.